Hello students, nice to hear from you again. In the town is the unit that we're learning about, and we're going to take a look at this beautiful town. You're going to have access to this video again, okay? This is the hospital, remember the hospital? We checked it in class. This is the shop. The school, remember, where you go and learn and study with your friends. The bank, and we have people there taking money. The bank. The park, where you go and rest and play and take your pets. The restaurant, where you go to eat. What is it? What's this? Any idea? How did you call this one? It's a school, correct. It's a school. Very good. Nice job. How about this one? What is it? It's the, we have a clue there. We have the sign of money. It's the bank, right? The bank, correct. What is this? What is it? You have the words here. There is a clue there. Yes, it's a shop where you go and buy stuff. Good. How about this? What is this? This is the cafe, right? Or the restaurant, right? So we have two people here, and the girl is asking, is there a restaurant? Is there a restaurant in this town? Yes, there is, says the boy, right? So this is the question. Esta es la pregunta. Is there a restaurant? And this is the answer. Yes, there is. En este caso sí hay, right? There is a great restaurant in this town, of course, and there they are enjoying the beautiful restaurant, right? So for a question, you have to remember, is there a station? Is there a restaurant? Is there a bank? Is there a, I don't know, a shop? Is there a station? Yes, there is. Si es que hay, sí, hay. No, there isn't. No hay en esta ciudad. Right? Is there a restaurant? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Good. Well, here we have the activities for today. So here we're going to write the questions and circle the correct answer. So here we have an example. Number 1. Is there a bridge? Is there a bridge? ¿Hay un puente aquí? Is there a bridge? And we circle yes, there is, right? Number 2. What's the question here? ¿Cómo sería la pregunta acá? Anyone knows? Is there a... What's this? ¿Qué es esto? This is a hospital. Is there a hospital? And the sign for a question. And the answer, yes or no? Is there a hospital? Can you see any hospitals here? Is there a hospital? I see a station, I see the park, I see a bridge, a school. I don't see any hospital, so no, there isn't. Yes. And so on and so forth. Then number 3, number 4, and number 5. We're going to check this in class. Lo vamos a revisar en clase el día, la semana que viene. Good. Great. And same thing, lo mismo. Is there a hospital? This is a hospital. We look at the picture. No, there isn't. Esta vez ustedes van a escribir la respuesta. Good. And the question, of course. Let's do number 2. Is there a... What's this? Number 2. Is there a... Park, correct. Is there a park? And the answer? Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. What do you think? ¿Hay o no hay aquí un park? A park? No, there isn't. Focus how you write it. Miren cómo se escribe. Isn't. Hay una apóstrofe ahí, una N, una T. No, there isn't. Or no, there is not. podríamos escribir también is not. Sorry. Cualquiera de las dos estaría correcta, right? There isn't, no, there isn't, or no, there is not, right? Vamos a dejar aquí there is not para hacerlo más distinto y para que se acuerden. Good? Remember. And then we have number 3, which is a restaurant. Is there a restaurant? Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. It's going to depend on the picture. And finally, next picture, same story. We do the same. Is there a bridge? Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Is there a, I don't know what that is. You have to figure that out. I think that's a shop. And I think this is a school. A shop and a school, right? I also included games. Yes, we have these new games here. You're going to pay attention to them. Son juegos distintos. Lo bueno de esto es que son muy entretenidos. Lo malo de esto es que no voy a poder ver los resultados. Solo ustedes van a saber los resultados. Pero la página les va a dar sus resultados, ¿ya? Entonces cuando ustedes lo hagan no tienen que enviarme nada. Es solo práctica. Y al final de cada actividad van a saber si está correcto o incorrecto. Here we have 3 activities. 1 activity, 2 activities, 3 activities. We're going to start with this letter soup. Activity number 1. Let's see what it goes about. Find the 8 words learned. Vamos a encontrar las 8 palabras que ya aprendimos, right? So we have a clue here. You can listen. Let's see.
Bank.
Let's find a bank. What else? ¿Qué más tenemos que encontrar? Let's see.
Station.
A station. Okay. What else?
School.
A school. What else?
Shop.
A shop. What else?
Hospital.
A hospital, and so on and so forth. Now to select, you just go through the word hospital. There you go. Hacemos clic en la primera letra y luego arrastramos hasta las que ustedes creen que son las siguientes. Y ahí ya me encontró una, ¿eh? Great. No las voy a mostrar para que las hagan solitos. Hangman. No sé si han jugado alguna vez Hangman, but it's a very fun game. Sorry, here, this is a clue. Esta es una pista. Me dice, where you cross from one point to another. Es un lugar del que uno cruza de un punto al otro. Entonces vamos a buscar las letras. ¿Qué será? Let's see. Has it got letter F? No, no letter F. Has it got letter T? No letter T. What word is it? ¿Qué será? What is it? The W? It's not W. Oh, I get it. Let's see. B, correct. R, correct. Y, correct. D, correct. What else? G, and E, and that's the word. Next word. And so on and so forth. You will have about 8 words. And finally, labeling. Here you're going to give a name to each place. Vamos a darle nombre a cada lugar. Ya lo vimos esto en clase, así que no tendríamos que tener problemas. Look, over each one of the places, sobre cada uno de los lugares, hay un clavito, right? There is a red one, a blue one, a yellow one, a green one, black one, blue one, yellow, and green. I'm going to click this white one. Vamos a hacer clic acá. It says, what's this? What is it? ¿Qué será? Vamos a ver. Is it this?
Station.
Is it a station? If you think it's a station, si creen que es una station, vamos a poner seleccionar. If you think it's not, you go back. Volvemos al principio. Let's see.
Bridge.
Bridge, okay. I think that's the correct one. So I click on select. And there you go. Bridge, right?
Bridge.
Correct. And oops,
Bridge.
Go back. There you go. I'm going to click another one. What's that? Let's see.
Shop.
Is that a shop? Is this a shop?
Bank.
Is that a bank? And so on and so forth. Then you pick. You choose the correct ones. See? Letter soup, hangman, and labeling. Remember, recordar. Lo que hagan aquí no se me va a enviar y ustedes no pueden enviarlo, pero les sirve de práctica adicional, ¿sí? Lo que hagamos en Nearpod, on the other hand, whatever you do on Nearpod, todo lo que hagan acá, por otro lado, esto sí me llega y yo lo puedo recibir. Recuerden también que estas actividades online en Nearpod se las voy a enviar en una en un PDF, written list, para que la puedan hacer en el cuaderno o imprimirla si lo desean o hacerla por este medio. Cualquiera de las dos sirve. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next video, and see you in class probably. I don't know. No sé con cuáles de ustedes voy a poder tener clases la próxima semana, así que ahí vamos a ver. Thank you very much. Bye bye, and that's it. Thank you.